Facebook ads are a great way to sell your products on social media, because in a world where more than half of the population of the human race are using the internet, and 80% of those using the internet are on social media, particularly Facebook, it is a great platform to really sell your products online. However, there are some things that you need to know about selling online. And one of them is, it's not every product that you can sell online and make profit. It's not every product. And secondly, some of them are also against the policies of Facebook. So in this video, I want you to know that if you really have the intention of selling on Facebook, one of the things you should note first is that you shouldn't sell a product that the profit is less than $10. Why am I saying so? Because averagely, you may spend about $10, $5 to $10 before you sell. So if you are selling a product that the profit is not up to $10, and you may spend $5 to $10 before you get one person, then you may not make any profit. So you make sure that anything that you are selling, the profit will be at least more than $10. Even if it is less than $10 and it's something you can sell in bulk, it is better. If not, selling products that will have a profit of maybe $2 or $5, it's not going to help you that much. So with that said, let's go into 7 products that you can sell on Facebook or Instagram ads and make a lot of profit. The number one of the product you can sell and make a lot of profit is clothing and fashion. So here you should consider products, something like sealed executive clothing, fashionable clothing, trends that are emerging, that are very nice, that people really like to wear, or even very classic suits. Just make sure that you are selling products that are very nice, very beautiful, and very classic, that people would like to wear. I have done several adverts on that for people, and a lot of them are making a lot of profit. However, I will be frank with you, there are some of the products, if the dresses are not really nice, if it is not really very classic, and it's not something that is very trendy, people may not be interested. So that is one. So make sure you sell very classic, very executive, very trendy fashions, and people, I tell you, they are going to buy. I'm doing an advert for someone. The person makes an average $500 to $1,000 a month selling classic suits online. Another one is selling PE kits. In fact, different type of clothes. Some are selling African wear, quality brands, and they are really making a lot of profit. And before I go to the second point, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, as we produce videos several times weekly to help you to be able to excel in the online market. Okay, so we go to the second point. The second product that you can sell and make a lot of profit on social media or on Facebook is construction and real estate related services. Okay, so for example, let's say you are a real estate company, you build houses, you sell houses, and you really need people to buy your houses on social media. It's very effective. Why is it effective? Because you can really target people who are looking for homes to buy. You can target people who are looking for homes to buy in specific locations. You can target people who are interested in buying homes, real estate. You can target people who are interested in constructing related services. So, and more secondly, the profit margin is bigger, because Facebook ads are very good for things that the profit margin per sale is very bigger. So, for example, you can spend an average of, let's say, $10 or $20 to get one client, and that $10 to $20 can make you a sale that the profit can be more than $10,000 or $1,000. So the sale per the profit per one sale is far bigger. So if you spend, you are really going to get a lot of return for your money. So construction and real estate related services is one of the great things that you can sell on social media or Facebook. The third one is home appliances and electronic gadgets. So you could be selling very nice gadgets like TVs, like blenders, gas cookers, electric stove, and all that. These are also one of the areas that people like to buy, or something like mini air conditioners or air conditioners. There are a lot of very nice ones that have emerged, and some of them are very portable and even can be used at home that consume less electricity. So home appliances and electronic gadgets are also one of the products that you can sell and make a lot of profit using Facebook. So we will just go to the fourth one. The fourth one is interior deco. So for example, 3D wallpaper, and it's one of the trends that is rapidly growing, that if you're able to put an investment in it, you may make a lot of profit. So 3D wallpaper, and then we can also talk of curtains, those modern curtains and blinds, very nice ones. And it's a modern trend that a lot of people are switching into from the local type of curtains. They're now moving on to those kind of very executive and nice curtains. And some are cheaper and can be used at home and at office. So we talk about curtains, we talk about 3D wallpapers, we talk about blinds, very nice ones. So when you get these ones, these are things that people can really buy for their home or office. So we go to the fifth point, which is consulting, installation, and training services. So this is where if you are doing things related to consulting, you're a consultant. So maybe you provide services for companies, for institutions, or you do training for companies, institutions, or you organize trainings that you want people to come for the training from wherever you are. It's good to also use Facebook ad for this type of thing. And maybe you are also doing installation, maybe installation of CCTV cameras, installation of maybe satellites for TV, and then installation of electric fence. So things like this, the services are in demand, and it is also good to advertise on Facebook, because you will be able to, the profit per each project is bigger, or the profit per training is bigger. So what you spend, you'll be able to get a lot of reasonable profits back in return. Okay, so we will just go to the C1. The C1 is sales of digital products. And when I talk of digital products, I'm talking about, let's say you have an ebook, you have an online course, you have a product that you can sell that people can easily download, or they can easily create an account on a website and have instant access to it. Those ones too are good, and they are good especially because that one you can reach a wider audience. For example, if you are selling an ebook, you can be selling, you can be in Ghana, or you can be in Nigeria, you can be in US, you can be in Canada, you can be in UK, and sell to most parts of the world. So that is the importance of also, that's the benefit of having this type of product, that's the digital product. So we go to the seventh one. The seventh one is sales of smart technology products. And when I talk of smart technology products, I am talking about new products that are really not yet not yet common. For example, you could be selling, we have smart watches, a watch that can tell time. It can be used as a calculator, it can be used as a phone to make calls, and it can be used to tell the weather or to predict the weather. So those type of watches, it performs a lot of functions. So that's very good, and if you have something like that, it will help. People will really be in demand. Then we have smart car trackers. We have trackers that when people buy it and install it on their car, wherever they are, they can really track the movement of the car and everything about it. And though there are already some in existence, but a lot of new upcoming ones that are doing better. We have smart security gadget. For example, there's a particular bulb that is like a normal bulb. When you put it, no one will ever know that it's a CCTV camera, but it is a camera. And there's another one that is a pen. So that particular pen, you easily put it even on your pocket. No one will know that it's a camera, but it is actually a pen you can use to write, but it's a camera. It has a camera in it. So these are smart technology products that people will be ready to buy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell as we continue to produce a lot of videos every week to help you to be able to sell more online. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.